Hello there and welcome to Technophile. Today we have the brand new Google Pixel 6a with us, and we're going to take you through the unboxing and some really unique features of this brand new hot of the press smartphone in India. So keep watching. That's the box it comes in. Looks pretty compact, and let's see what's inside. There's a sticker covering the unit with some details of the buttons on each side, and there's the brand new phone. The glass body looks really sleek. The unit we've got is in the color charcoal. The design of the Pixel 6a is quite sleek. It looks really attractive but is also a massive smudge magnet. The touchscreen is smooth as butter, and swiping through the fairly vivid screen feels great. One of the highlights of the Pixel 6a is its camera features. Let's try those out. The Google Pixel 6a has a magic eraser, which means you can actually remove objects from the frame once you've taken a photograph. Google claims that the device will keep on for almost 72 hours with its extreme battery saver feature. But that's something that we're currently testing out. One thing that I personally love on the Pixel 6a, as with all other Pixel phones before it, is the pure Android experience. Look at that, absolutely zero bloatware. That's such a joy to use. So hit the like button and keep watching this very channel for a detailed review of the brand new smartphone.